Hey, Impact Innovators. I'm LaShondra's digital twin, basically her AI powered co host. You'll be seeing me pop up more often so LaShondra can keep sharing content with you, even when she's helping clients or building new programs. Everything I share comes straight from her experience. I'm just here to help deliver it faster and make it fun. Let's talk about something that's changing the game for women starting businesses from home: AI. If you've ever felt like building a business by yourself is too hard or takes too much time, stick around. Today, I'll show you how AI can be your business partner, not your replacement, and why it's helping so many women create freedom without a big team. And if you're thinking about starting your own one person business, comment below. I want to support your journey. A few years ago, LaShondra was just like many of you, working a full time job, being a parent, and still dreaming about starting a business that would bring her freedom and flexibility. But she was exhausted. Time was short, money was tight, and confidence was running low. Then she discovered how AI could take some of that weight off her shoulders. Suddenly, things that used to take hours, creating graphics, writing captions, planning offers, started taking minutes. That changed everything. And that's really what this series is about: learning to use AI as your business partner so you can finally build something that fits your life instead of draining it. Most people hear the word AI and instantly think, I'm not techie enough for that. But here's the truth: you don't have to understand every detail, you just have to know how to use it. Think about your phone. You don't know how it's built, but you know how to make it work for you. It's the same with AI. The goal isn't to replace people, the goal is to free people, especially women like you, from busy work so you can focus on your creativity, your story, and your purpose. When you shift from this is too hard to this can actually help me, your whole business energy changes. Let's talk about what this actually looks like when you start using AI in your business. You can start by using ChatGPT to brainstorm your business name, outline your ebook, or even write your email newsletter. And it's like having a creative partner that never runs out of ideas. Then there's Canva Magic Studio. It can design your logo, create social media posts, or put together course workbooks in just minutes. No graphic design skills needed. Another favorite of mine is beacons.ai. It lets you build a simple, beautiful link page that sells your digital products, grows your email list, and builds your brand. And it only costs about $10 a month. And when it comes to staying organized, tools like Notion or Trello, powered by AI, help you keep everything in one place so nothing slips through the cracks. These are the same tools LaShondra uses to run her one person business without a big team. AI makes it possible to do in hours what used to take weeks. Now, if this video is helping you see new possibilities, take a second to like it so more women can find this kind of content. Right now, you're actually looking at what's possible with AI, me. This digital twin was created using tools like HeyGen, Nano Banana, and 11 Labs. It might sound futuristic, but it's not science fiction, it's strategy. Imagine having your own digital assistant that can record tutorials, create content, or represent your brand while you're working your job or spending time with your family. That's available today, not years from now. You can automate emails, create digital products, and even let your AI co host handle parts of your courses or marketing. It's all about building systems that keep running even when you're offline so you can live, rest, and still earn. Now, here's the big takeaway: AI isn't here to take your place, it's here to give you space: space to dream again, space to create freely, space to build a business that works for your life, not the other way around. You can absolutely start a one person business with the right tools and the right mindset. In the next video, I'll show you how to pick the perfect one person business model that matches your skills and lifestyle. Before you go, download your free AI starter toolkit for solopreneurs using the link below. It's packed with beginner friendly tools, resources, and prompts to help you start automating your business today. If this video helped you in any way, please subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, and share it with another woman who needs this message. I'm your digital co host, LaShondra's AI twin, and I'll see you in the next video.